You'll need a T25 Torx bit to remove these two screws here. Try this one with a swivel, might be a better fit. All right, so they're both off now. Take your light. If you drop your light inside the bumper, you can just reach from underneath and fish it. There should be plenty of wire here for you to remove the light and the lens assembly. Now you can just simply twist the light bulb out, take the lens, discard that, assuming it's broken. At this point, it would be a great time to change your bulb if yours is burnt out. Go ahead and put your bulb into the new lens, make sure it locks in. Now take the lens with the bulb and position it in here. Try to get the bolt holes to line up. This won't be easy. Once you do get one to line up, go ahead and start in the bolts. It's easiest if you make threads in the new assembly beforehand, and it's also easiest no matter which way you go, whether you make threads beforehand or no, if you have a drill or an electric impact that can help you with starting these screws in. Otherwise, if you try to start them in by hand and no threads are already made in the lens, it's going to be a little more difficult. All right, so I got these two started. Let's go ahead and snug them up. That's it. Light is installed.